Please welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to form or how to make a table in your MS Word. Yeah, to do your assignments and all that stuff. So first you just need to go to Play Store then and install MS or Microsoft Word. Yeah, so you can see I have it already. So you need to open it. Then you see at the top corner there you can see some plus over there. Yes, just click on the plus and choose this first one here, blank document. Okay, so first thing you can see this down over here, small arrow here. Yeah, you can see that. Just click on it. Then you can see home, this home. Just click on home, then insert. Okay, so you can see table here. Then you can go on and enter the rest name, um symbol, application. Then you can then enter the rest. Okay, so guys, please subscribe to this channel, and if you have any problem, please leave a comment in this video for more further instruction if you have any difficulties. Thank you.